Everybody loves to hear that they have performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. And here's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it is a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. We take pride in our service being rated 5 stars. We are very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. Call us today at the number on your screen, and thanks for stopping by. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.